hybrid block. What are they saying to do? They are offering a hybrid of products from a learning center to a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase to a cryptocurrency exchange that you can actually trade cryptocurrency and all that. So what they are offering is enormous. You'll be able to get insights from the market, the latest ICOs. You'll be able to, through the wisdom of the crowd coming together, you'll be able to get be aware of the latest project that are actually happening. So it's going to be an all-in-one cryptocurrency trading platform, and they have a very nice team behind them. Apollo of now. And then Maya, what I want to really talk about this today is there's a bank to the future. So this is a project they are done with their ICO and all that. But there is something they are actually offering. Before we talk about that, let's play this.
I got a $100 check from my grandma, and my dad said I need to put it in the bank so it can grow over the years.
Well, that's fantastic. A really smart decision, young man. We can put that check in a money market mutual fund. Then we'll reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
So that is like a Bitcoin meme and all that. So what Bank to the Future wants to do, there is a platform that's already in business, and you can see the praise that Richard Branson is giving to this platform, and you can see some of the portfolio they've actually invested in. Let's see some of their portfolio to tell you that the platform actually have experience. Bitstamp, Spaceshift, Bitfinex, Kraken, PulSar, and the list goes on and on. Storage, MadeSafe, Unocoin, Crankbase, CoinSecure, Fathom. So this is some of their portfolio so far. They've actually invested. They've invested over 200 million euros of their money collectively into blockchain startups. So what are some of the things they want to do? Let's see the more reasons why you should look into this platform. The first, you're investing with specialists. So considering your portfolio, you will know that this guy is actually specialist. And then you invest in top days. And then you invest securely. They're using kind of bank grade security and all that. No returns fees, cross-border, you can invest anywhere, ongoing relations, multi-currency, you can use fiat currency and all that. You can see who is behind the team. Simon Disson, Blake Disson. And you can check them up. I don't want to be keeping these videos very long. But in a nutshell, this is a company who already have a background of success. And then they've invested in a lot of companies already. What they want to do is they want to give each and everyone the opportunity to invest in blockchain startup like they've done in the past. So what you simply need to do is, you as a person, you can apply for finance through this platform, maybe for your business, or you as an investor, you can actually sign up, and then you can join the people who can collectively put their funds so that they can invest in these blockchain startups. I think this is where investment is going in the future. Remember, when it comes to ICO, when it comes to the crypto space and all that, there is what is called the hype. But most times, you may not know about maybe what is going on and all that. So this platform, Bank to the Future, is similar to any of these platforms like maybe Femboshin Capital, platforms like Dropper Dragons, and all these platforms that actually invest in startups. So if you sign up with this platform, just like those portfolios I've showed you before, the investing in the past, and you can see that these companies are very successful companies in the space, from Bitstamp, Bitfinex, and all that storage, and MateSafe and all that. You say, these guys have the knack to actually invest their money wisely. So they have the expertise, they have all that, and the little you have. I'm saying something when it comes to crypto. Let me show you something. So this is one of the projects that is very, very exciting, Dark Labs. And there are other projects that are actually coming up. And I've seen one thing that is going to come in the cryptocurrency community. The way fund is being raised. I remember if you've been following my video for a while, I said something in one of my videos. I said something is going to happen, that many investors are going to leave the scene of investing for the big players. Now, why did I give the reason for that? I said, why? Because the institutional investors, they don't behave the way normal investors behave. Now, I do not blame the normal. I do not blame the just everyday regular investors who just invest $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 in platforms and all that. Remember, we're not only in the IPO world, where for you to invest in a company, you have to have certain amount of money. You have to lock up your money for a certain amount of time. You have to be earning certain amount of income per year and all that. With cryptocurrency, with as low, there are platforms that tell you that you can even invest as low as $1. So it's going to change. Investing is going to change. I don't really know it, but it's likely to change. Many projects are likely to shift towards institutional investors. That's why most times when you look at platforms like this, you see most times that they tell you that sometimes they tell you partners, sometimes they tell you platforms that have already invested in them. The question that is being asked most times is why could they not? Why is that they did not actually come to the blockchain space so that people can actually fund their project? There are times where I've gone through some projects, like one of them is Amber. Now, Amber is one of the projects I actually looked, and it's a project that's going to change the way Africa goes after data and all that. Now, when you go through this platform, you now discover that some big guys actually came and they invested in this platform, and they said they are no more offering ICO. I think that is where the ICO or very good projects are going to be funded in the future. An example, one of them is Amber. You have Dark Labs. Another one is SMS Chain. So SMS Chain was one of the platforms that had a very, very unique idea, and a lot of people were expecting to invest, and all of a sudden we heard that they are no more giving investment. So you want to consider a platform. I'm not saying you should go into this platform and invest with them, but you want to do your own research on them, browse through their portfolios and see, okay, this guy have a very good traction, because it is one thing for a platform to come. I see one of the things you will see in the blockchain space, like there are many blockchain startups that are coming now, and they are saying that they want to solve Bitcoin scalability issues and all that. What they fail to realize is these claims, are they really true? So you are saying a platform that says you want to bring such amount of thousands of transactions or millions of transactions and all that. So you want to look at BnkToTheFuture. And then another platform again, I actually did a review a few months ago. I talked about PULSAR. So PULSAR has a PULSAR Venture Capital It's already a venture capital that's already raised money, and have already helped a lot of businesses in the past to actually fund some startups in the past, and then they're coming to the blockchain space. So you want to really pay attention to platforms that have a good team. Not only have a good team, have a very good past, and they know what they want to do. That doesn't really mean that the platform are going to succeed most time, no, but you see that it's a sign that something good is about to come about this platform. So you can see some of the companies actually interested in. And before we end this video, let's continue this. So guys, with that, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Do have a very good day, guys. Bye.